I ain't gonna cap, you can never go wrong with a good dessert. And if you don't eat cheesecake, I feel sorry for you. This Oreo cheesecake was definitely one of them ones. Let me show you how I did it. We're gonna get started on our crust. We're gonna mix up some Oreos, add some melted butter to that. We're gonna add that to a springform pan into the oven at 350 for 5 to 8 minutes. Now for our cheesecake, it's fairly simple. We're gonna add some softened cream cheese, some sugar, get that a nice mix. Now we're gonna add in not 1 but 2 eggs. That should loosen up the consistency. Now we're gonna add in some sour cream, vanilla extract, lemon extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix all that together and make sure you taste to adjust to your preferred flavor. Add in some crumbled Oreos. Now once that's done, we're gonna add in our cheesecake mixture. Spread this out, get it as smooth as possible, and be sure to get out any air bubbles. We're gonna throw that into the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. While waiting for that, I made some homemade whipped cream. Let me know if y'all want that video. After chilling overnight, we're gonna add in our homemade whipped cream. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Add over some more crushed Oreos, top that with some chocolate syrup, a little bit of salted caramel if you want. Trust me, this is going to go crazy every time you make it. And one thing about it, two things for sure, Chef D the real GOAT, make sure you fall for more, no cap.